Click on the link below to get price. The TotGuard Electric Bike is an impressive piece of machinery that combines robust power and thoughtful design, making it an excellent choice for both urban commuting and rugged outdoor adventures. With its 26-inch x4.0 fat tires, this e-bike excels in stability and traction, allowing riders to tackle various terrains, from city streets to snowy trails. Equipped with a potent 1000 W peak motor, the TotGuard delivers an exhilarating riding experience. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, reaching speeds that make commuting quick and enjoyable. The motor's peak capability means it can handle steep hills with ease, making it a suitable option for riders living in hilly areas. The 48V battery complements the motor well, providing a commendable range on a single charge. Depending on your riding style, you can expect anywhere from 30 to 50 miles of assistance, which is ideal for longer journeys or weekend excursions. Another highlight of the TotGuard Electric Bike is its user-friendly LCD display, which provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and selected pedal assist mode. This feature keeps riders informed and helps them manage their ride effectively. The bike's frame is sturdy yet lightweight, facilitating easy maneuverability without sacrificing durability. The adjustable seat and handlebars can accommodate various rider heights, catering to a broad audience. Additionally, the disc brakes ensure quick stopping power, enhancing safety, especially on downhill rides. One minor downside is the bike's weight. At around 70 pounds, it's not the easiest to lift or transport. However, this weight contributes to its stability, particularly when navigating rough terrains. Overall, the TotGuard Electric Bike combines power, comfort, and versatility, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a reliable electric bike. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new trails, this bike delivers on performance and enjoyment, making rides an adventure rather than a chore.